Assalamu alaikum everyone, and first of all, Eid Mubarak to every single person out there who's going to be celebrating today. Amazing. Ours is going to be tomorrow, but anyway, in advance to every single person out there, have a blessed one. But today is going to be another very, informative video about Bitcoin and what we're about to do. So right now, Bitcoin is looking quite amazing. So 75% is freaking loaded. And by 75%, what I mean is you, my friend, have an amazing entry opportunity for Bitcoin with a big stop loss down here. So it's going to be a stop loss of nearly 2% loss or 1.9% loss. $21,118 is going to be the place. Yes, and this is a trade that I'm about to take for Bitcoin, in my opinion, and that's going to push Bitcoin up here to that price level. Do you see that? $24,691. Now it is at the very best resistance right now. We can already see there's a doji in there. So my take really is that this weekend unlikely can dump to the downside. I just want to go into the daily as well, and I want to talk about the daily. Yes, you do have this some sort of a negative candlestick pattern, and that's why I say maybe your stop loss should be trailed below that candlestick, right? So if you do take out that lowest part of it, then that is going to be game over for Bitcoin. Okay, so as long as you're not going to take that, this looks like an amazing trade. Like, I mean, that's just how trade really works. Okay, so 2.09% risks, and you're looking for to push yourself to 13.9% to the upside. Amazing. This is a very simple, easy trade, in my opinion, because by the end of the day, I always say this: if you're getting these patterns, you see Adam's and Eve double bottom. It's an amazing double bottom. Every single coin is making double bottom, as I've been saying in the previous videos as well. And when you do get these things, you want to get the trade, you want to make the trade, and then leave it. You don't have to worry it's going to work out or not. Use the stop. Always have that risk management. Don't buy too much huge. Get the trade, get out the profits. If the stops get taken out, probably you just want to sit to the siders and maybe wait for a little bit while to make a better decision at the next time. That's all it all takes to make an amazing trade. Now this one is an amazing trade in my opinion. This doesn't happen every single day. You don't get Bitcoin to do something like this. Now there's one more thing, and that is important to address, though, that you do have some sort of a descending triangle. But my take is, a pop to the upside is way more expected more than moving to the downside as well. So the apex is coming in by today, so it's really going to happen that you're going to see Bitcoin actually moving upward on a weekend, but I'm expecting it to move upward on a weekend. So that means if you're going to start to take out this low, then this descending triangle is actually going to play out. Okay, that descending triangle is going to play out, and the retest is actually going to fail. Do you understand my point? Because yeah, even though you have that descending triangle, it's important to understand that you're also holding support right now. One there, one touch here, some few touches there, and you broke it out and you're just holding the retest right now. So that's what it is. That's just how I'm looking at it. So if you do actually come down here, that means that descending triangle played out and the retest of that double bottom has failed. And who knows, you can actually just go down and make a triple bottom as well before you move to the upside. And that's it for this quick update on Bitcoin, guys. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.